So counting a bridge hand, right? This is the first class of an 8-week course. And we're starting with the bidding because that's how our bridge hand starts with. And you don't want to think of 52 cards. It's too complicated to learn how to count 52 cards, right? What you want to do is visualize each of the 4 hands around the table in a 4-digit pattern. And we're going to practice that. We're going to do some practice. And to do that, you have to gather inferences and assumptions from the bidding, from the declares play, from the defenders play, and bring those assumptions together into a conclusion. And that's what we're going to work on throughout this lesson. So first step is the bidding. Bidding inferences, like I said, you're going to be visualizing the shape of your opponent's hand. So if you're a declarer, you're going to pick one defender and you're going to visualize their shape. If you're a defender, you're going to be visualizing the hidden hand. And the hidden hand we talk about as being declarer's hand. So whether or not you're declarer or defender, all the ideas that we talk about today in this lesson will be applicable.